Hello everyone, today I'll be taking you on essential tips on taking care of your camera lenses. Let's begin. First of all, make sure your lens has a lens cap. This is called a lens cap. Always use your lens cap. The lens cap protects the lens from particles and dust. Make sure the lens is well covered with the lens cap when the camera is not in use. So the next step is how to fix the camera lens to the camera body. First of all, we open the lens cap. There's a red dot here. You see the red dot here, and there's a red dot here. You make sure that the red dots here at the lens and the red dots on the camera body are lines. You hold the push button here, this push button, and you hold it and you turn it. Once you hear a clicking sound, it means that the camera lens has now been fastened to the camera body. The next one is to use your lens to cover the lens when shooting. The lens suit protects the camera lens from light flares. When you are done using the camera, make sure the camera is stored in a cool and dry place. You can have a very thick rainproof bag that protects it from rain and harsh weather. Another tip we should look at is the camera belt. This belt helps you carry the camera. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to set or mount the camera to a tripod stand. First of all, we make sure that the tripod is strong. There are different types of tripod stands, but this tripod stand here is a monopod. So we'll be making use of this tripod stand. Every camera has a base. You check where the base of the camera is, where you can fasten the base plate to the camera. Every camera has a place where tripod can be fastened to. We look at the tripod stand. We can find the plate or the tripod cover. So when we look at it, we can remove it from the tripod stand. When we remove it, we fasten it to the camera. There is a screw that can help you fasten it. Make sure it is well fastened. If it is well fastened, watch for the positioning. Look at the positioning, how you want the camera to face and how you want it to face. Once it is well positioned, you can see it. It is strong. It is strong. We come to the tripod. We can see that the tripod has a mount. It has a mount. This mount is where we keep this plate and fasten it. We can set it well. We use it. This is to free the plate or the mount. Once it is like this, it's already free. We can look for a way to adjust it. We make sure this place enters the mount or the mount. We fix it. And once it enters, the camera is now fastened to the tripod. So the next we'll be looking at is the leg locks. These leg locks help you move either left or right, up and down. Once we use this, we can see that we are going down freely. We can also go up freely to take shots or to capture images. We can also fasten it or tighten it. Once we come to this is for moving left or right, depending on what we want to shoot. Once it is loose, and also we should be mindful of how we use it. Once we are done, we can also fasten it to keep it on place so it doesn't go on moving freely without any guide. So these leg locks help you to move left and right, up and down freely. Another key point to take note is that when the leg locks are fastened, we don't need to move the tripod left and right because it will weaken this space and spoil the tripod. So we should be careful that whenever we want to make any movement, either up and down, either left and right, we should use the leg locks and make the movement and tighten it immediately.